Oh, what is that sound which so thrills the ear? Down in the valley, drumming, drumming. Only the scarlet soldiers, dear. The soldiers coming. Oh, what is that light I see flashing so clear over the distance, brightly, brightly? Only the sun on their weapons, dear, as they step lightly. Oh, what are they doing with all that gear? What are they doing this morning, morning? Only their usual manoeuvres, dear, or perhaps a warning. Or why have they left the road down there? Why are they suddenly wheeling, wheeling? Perhaps a change in their orders, dear. Why are you kneeling? Oh, haven't they stopped for the doctor's care? Haven't they reined their horses? Why are none of them wounded, dear? None of these forces. Or is it Parson they want with white hair? Is it? No, they are passing our gateway, dear, without a visit. Oh, it must be the farmer who lives so near. It must be the farmer, so cunning, cunning. They have already passed the farmyard, dear, and now they are running. Oh, where are you going? Stay with me here. Where are the vows you swore, deceiving, deceiving? No, I promise to love you, dear, but I must be leaving. Oh, it's the broken lock. They splintered the door. Oh, it's the gate where they are turning, turning. Their boots are heavy on the floor, and their eyes are burning.